Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. In this video, let's look at the Marriott Bonvoy loyalty membership program. And under the Marriott brand, there are so many different hotel chains, and they range from like the ultra luxury, like the Ritz Carlton or W hotels, and they also go down to the somewhat of a budget line. I won't say budget, but I would say 4 stars, something like that. So in that we have a Courtyard, we have 4 Points, we also have Fairfield. Aloof is also part of the Marriott brand, and there are so many different hotel brands that are under the Marriott brand. So in the premium segment, we have Sheraton, we have Renaissance, we have Lee Meridian. So all of these hotels are pretty good in my opinion. So I have recently went to Vietnam. I have stayed at Lee Meridian, Saigon, and I have stayed at Sheraton Phuket. You can check out those videos as well. I have also discussed what points did I use to book these hotels as well. Now you can easily create your account with Marriott for free and you can start booking your own stays with points. So how do you get points? First and foremost, how do you get points? Before we start the video, I have a small request, and if you don't have an American Express credit card and you want to apply for one, you can use the referral link in the description below. And if you apply through that, right now there is a limited time offer where you get 4,000 bonus point instead of 2,000, and you can go ahead and click on any one of the cards that you want to apply for. So if I click on all cards, you will see the list of the all of the cards that are available. So you can go with the MRCC, you can go with Platinum Travel Gold card, or if you want, you can also go with Platinum Reserve, although I don't recommend this card. But you can just go ahead and use whichever card that you want to apply for, and if you use my referral link, then both of us will get some points, and you will also earn some more points if you get approved before 27th of February. So you can see that I have 6,000 something points in my account, and basically you can also get points if you book a stay through this account. So let's say you make an account with Marriott and then you go ahead book your stays using the website or the app. Then another way to get points into your account is to get a co-branded card. So HDFC has a co-branded card with Marriott, so you can earn points if you spend on that credit card, and with that you can accumulate some points which you can use for your stays. Now, another way you can get points is by transferring your points from a different credit card which is not a co-branded card. So, for example, let's say I have an American Express credit card, then I can simply go ahead and transfer those points from American Express to Marriott Bonvoy on a 1:1 ratio. I have made a dedicated video on how to transfer your points from American Express to Marriott Bonvoy. You can check that video out to get the better understanding of the procedure. Also, one of the other ways is if you have an HDFC card which is not the co-branded with Marriott, so you can transfer your points, your HDFC points to ITC program. You need to sign up on ITC and make an account there. And then when you get the points in ITC, you can transfer from ITC to Marriott. So that are few of the ways you can earn points or transfer your points into the Marriott Bonvoy account. Now, there are two ways to use your Marriott Bonvoy points. And first of all, which is obvious, you can use your points to book a stay at a hotel which you want to visit. So, let's say you have a destination in mind. You can go ahead, search for the hotels that are available at that location, and then you can book that stay using the points. Now, next option is that you pay for the services that you enjoy at the hotel during your stay. So let's say you booked a hotel either by points or by cash, and when you went to the hotel, you take some services like you went for the breakfast, or if you went to the restaurant, or you just enjoyed some snacks, or maybe you went to the spa for some kind of a treatment. Then, when you get the bill, you can settle that bill at the reception, and you can ask the receptionist to settle the bill by taking the points from your account. So, if you have already booked that stay with your Marriott account, then they can just easily check if you have enough points to pay for the service that you have enjoyed, and then they will deduct the equivalent points from your account, and then they will settle that bill with the point itself. Now, let's say you have some points in your account and you want to book a room. So, we'll just search the location and find the hotel that best suits you. So, let's say we are going to Jaipur, and one thing I would like to say is that you can also choose the dates, specific dates, like you can just say 5th to 7th March, or you can click on flexible dates and choose the month. So I'll show you both of them just in a moment. But to use the points, you need to first check this option. So it says to use points slash awards. You need to check this box here and then click on find hotels. Now you can see we have five hotels here at Jaipur that are available for us to book. Now, these are some of the filters, like you can choose the brand, or you can choose the free breakfast option as well. You can choose the one that are pet friendly. You can choose the one which has pool. So a lot of filters are available for your search. Now you can see that ITC Rajputana is available, and this is available with points. Now some hotels might be available with points, and some will say that you can only book through cash. So be careful of that. And let's say this one, we also have the INR amount that we needed to pay if we didn't have the points. So for example, for ITC Rajputana, the rate is 8,550 INR per night. We are searching for 2 nights, so you can 2x that. But we are getting this entire hotel 2 night stay for 30,000 points only. Then we have Fairfield, which is available for 24,000 points per stay of 2 nights, which will equal to 12,000 points per night. We also have 4 points, and this is 39,000 points for 2 nights. And you can see that the rate for 4 points is a little bit higher. So it is saying the 20,000 Indian rupees per night. So which will be around 40,000 rupees if you book for 2 nights. I'm not sure why it's giving such a high rate right now, but it might be because of the dates. Now there are other hotels here as well. You can check which one suits you the best, and you can see that what value you are getting from the point. So Lee Meridian, although it is saying that it is 59,000 points, that is equivalent to around 14,000 rupees per night rate. So you can find the best option. So right now for this date, 4 points is giving the best value back for per point. So for 39,000 points, I'm getting something that is equal to 40,000 Indian rupees. So let's just say I click on 4 points and I can view the rates. Now here I have all of the different options that are available. So we have guest room with king size bed. We have a guest room with twin beds, and both of them are for 39,000 points, and you can choose any one of them. Let's say we want to stay at ITC Rajputana. So if I click on the rates here, then I'll see what are options available for ITC Rajputana. And here we have Executive Club guest room. So with this, you will get Executive Club access as well. So this is the club where you can get some snacks. So in case you do not get breakfast with your stay, then you can now go to the club and enjoy some snacks from there, which will also serve like an breakfast. Now here I have searched for Fairfield and at Fairfield these are all of the options that I'm getting. So with ITC Rajputana there was only option to book entirely through points, but here at Fairfield I have two options. So for the guest room I can either go with cash plus points. So I need to pay 4,993 Indian rupees plus 12,000 points for 2 nights stay, or I can get this room, the 2 night stay with 24,000 points. So these are the two options that are available. So you can choose any one of those, but remember that you need to have enough points in your account. So let's say if you only had 12,000 points or something like that, then you can obviously, instead of paying the 24,000, get 12,000 points from somewhere else. You can supplement that with some cash component as well. Now, other than the guest room, we also have the suite option. So for suite, this will be a much bigger room, obviously. And you can see that here you need to pay 70,400 points per stay, which is 2 nights. But you can also get it for 24,000 points if you pay 20,000 Indian rupees as the cash component. And other than that, there is also another guest room option, which is a slightly more expensive, but it is because we have the view of the Aravali, and this is the same guest room that we had here, like the guest room One King with city view. This is the mountain view, and this will set you back 28,800 points for 2 nights, or you can get it for 24,000 points plus 2,000 Indian rupees as the cash component. Now, let's say you are flexible with your date. So, what you can do is instead of going for a specific date, you can click on flexible date and you can choose your month. So, let's say I still choose May and click on done, and I'll update the search. Now, this will give me updated list. So, now the mention of the rates have gone away, and what we can do here is we can click on view rates for Rajputana or Fairfield, and then we can see what are the best dates for getting the lowest point booking. So let's say if I click on Fairfield and click on continue, we'll open this calendar, and now you can see that while we were getting 24,500 and 24,000 has the booking rate, I can see the lowest date in May is for 23,000, which is 11th of May. I can switch the month from here as well. So let's say I go back to April and try to find the best rate there. Then I can just go ahead and see that the lowest is 23,500, and I can check other months here as well. So for June, I have 24,000 as the lowest for 9th of June and for 29th of June. So now here I can choose the date. Let's say I just went for 9th of June, and you can see it selected my 2 night stay automatically because I already put in 2 nights when I was making the search, and I can click on continue and it will update the entire thing for me. So now you can see the rate options have been given to me after I have went to the flexible dates. All of these are same because I choose the 24,000 points option. And let's say if I want to go for the Aravali view point stay only, I can just go ahead and click on select and I can book the stay from here now. Now here you can see this is the form that you need to fill. You can edit the details also, and it's giving me the warning that I don't have enough points and I need to buy 23,000 points for this much USD for make this booking. So I can just purchase the points here, or I can go ahead and search for different dates for the points, and you can just go ahead, fill in your details, and then you can just submit this form and your booking would be done. After you have done your booking with points, you will get an email. You can save that or you can print that out yeah, for your own reference. Or let's say you're booking an international stay and you need to show it at immigration, you can take that print out as well. but that is how you make a booking with points on Marriott Bonvoy loyalty program. So now that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos in the future. And I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.